Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a Mickey Mouse telephone that Tom sent in, and he basically just sent in the handset, but what I wanted to show you here is the Mickey that it goes with, and that's the style of Mickey that this handset went to. And it's an AT&T telephone, so it's a pretty sought-after model, and the handset was very hard to get a hold of on these telephones. This handset is the one that has the loud volume control on the side of it, and a lot of times you'll find Mickey here, but you won't find the handset. And so anyway, this handset is pretty hard to find, and it was a very good handset. They did have one problem with them, though. On the keypad, they tried to, and I'll show you that in a second. You can probably see the complaint on this telephone is that his 4 is not working right, and sometimes some of the other numbers don't work properly. But as you can see here, there's been something spilt in it, and this is not uncommon. I get this a lot where they've spilt stuff into the handset, and the back of this, I don't know if you can pick that up, but it's got a bunch of sticky stuff on there because something's been spilt into it. And we're not so much worried about this part of the keypad, because although you have the rubber keypad, that's not really doing anything because they don't have the conductive circles on the back of this keypad. It's just a blank keypad, and it's actually supposed to push down on this handset, on this conductive plastic here that they have. They kind of, this was a very good handset, but where they went wrong was they tried to draw conductive material for the keypad on 2 pieces of plastic. And so this is actually 2 pieces of plastic here. And if you've never done this before, what seems to be a pretty easy repair is not. This conductive material, if you ruin any of it, you have to redo the conductive material. And I make my own conductive material. You can track it down and find it and buy it, but I found that it does not work as well as the conductive material that I make. And I've had these telephones in from other shops where the technician has tried to clean this keypad with this conductive material that's on it, and they ruin it. And then it has to be redesigned out, and new conductive material has to be put on it. They'll say, well, you know, I tried to clean it and I wiped out the conductive material. Well, that's why you need to let somebody that's done this a time or two and knows how to handle this type of a repair, which seems like an easy repair, but it's not. Kind of take care of the situation. This is 2 pieces of plastic, and I'm kind of one-handed here, so it's kind of hard to show you that. But these 2 pieces of material, it unfolds, and you have your inside conductive material, and then you have your backside conductive material. And on this telephone, the customer mostly complains about, I'm going to plug it into the line, mostly complains about 4. So let's push 4. See how it sticks? So when the technicians go into this and try to clean this, they wipe out the conductive material. And it's not a simple repair anymore. And like I said, I make my own conductive material. See, now it's just going crazy. See what it's doing to the analyzer? It's just racking off 4s. It's just, so basically what you have here is, if you can see this, and you may not be able to, the 4, which is located right here, has got a bunch of stuff spilt into it, and it's made its way through the keypad. And it's not a simple job cleaning this. You have to do it the right way, or you'll wipe out that conductive material. And it's quite a job to try to reconstruct the pathways to each number. As you can see, it's kind of like a little map there. So that's what we run into a lot with these. These were very good telephones. You can see all this stuff has even started to turn green. And sometimes you get lucky and you get to this stuff before the whatever was spilt into it, before it decays and wipes out the conductive material. And in this case, I think this one's going to be just needing to be cleaned, but you know, a lot of times you clean it and then you have to reconstruct the conductive material. So it's not a simple repair. It seems like it is, but it's not. And I think AT&T should have put a better keypad situation into this telephone, because this handset was good quality, but when it comes to the keypad, they tried to save themselves some money by just drawing on the conductive material on the plastic. Other than that, it's just a very good handset, and it's very hard to find, especially in the red. That's what you see most of the time. You'll see these Mickeys, and they'll be missing the handset. And the reason why you don't see these handsets is because people don't get rid of them. The ones that are still in use are still being used, and the ones that were broke and the people didn't realize you could get this stuff repaired, either threw it away or it just got split up from Mickey, and you just don't see them. And then you'll see a few that just are still with Mickey that don't work. But Tom sent this in, and we're going to get him taken care of, and he can get his Mickey back, and I think he'll be pretty happy. Just wanted to show you a little bit about what it takes to get into the keypad and repair the conductive material. I make my own conductive material. It works better than what I have been able to purchase through the years from electronics companies. So it is not an easy repair, and there is a little bit to it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. And this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. And you can get us at 618-235-6959, Mickey Mouse. And this was a very sought after model. Thank you, and have a great day.